How's it going? Alrighty. So we're gonna do a few more videos. Those tonight. Yeah, I don't know why this broadsword's having a better curve than some of the other swords I've made. But, yeah. Oh, well. Once I start making them, once I start pounding it thicker, I should, or thinner, I should be able to get at least another round of making it as thin as I possibly could. Ugh. Great. There we go. It's almost done. Yeah. Almost done. Da-da-da-da. It might only be a couple more videos, but it's almost done. Na-na-na, almost done. Na-na-na, na-na, na-na-na, na. myself some iced tea there. Sweet iced tea. Probably later within the week I'll probably show you how to make that. I think I did pretty well. Oh yeah, man, this is gonna be fucking great there. Wait for the pizza dough to... Yeah, so probably after this video there, I'm gonna have to go in the kitchen there and see if the pizza dough is ready. Because yeah, I'm gonna make a video and showing you guys how to make a homemade pizza. So that's happening. Yeah. There. Okay, now I gotta try to get this straight again. And so I'm gonna have to pound that forward. Okay. This section I'm gonna have to pound because that's too high up. All right. There. Oh yeah, and just for the handles, for the handle itself, all I'm doing is just putting some wood scales on it. Oh yeah. Since the tang was already like good lengthwise, I don't really need to fuck around with it too much. I just gotta grind or not even just like really grind, just gotta probably pound it a little thinner. Or it's gonna make a really good broadsword when this is done. And probably too, I might just cut the tip into shape. There, just get so the edge can get, or the top of the point can just be a little bit, thinner there, so there's not much to grind. Got to worry about not overcooking the tip, like I did with the rape, with Dark Heretic. or other people may know it as, my rapier I made last year. My two-handed rapier. Yeah. All right. Fuck. Still got that twist in there. Maybe if I put in the vise and just turn it a little bit. Might work. Oh yeah, I also gotta fucking pound the tang a little bit. And so it's even too. Shit. That might make the hole a little bit smaller, but it'd be good if I just screw in some if it's just scales, I just gotta wood screw it in. That's it. Which is so much easier. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be about as straight as that's gonna get, aren't I? Don't like that. But if I keep pounding it like that, it should make itself straight again. There. It's fantastic. Yeah, once I get the the shape of the handle there a bit, just so I can take the base of, just so I can just take the base of it there, trace it, cut that into shape. Then all I gotta do is, once it's on, like when the guard's on the broadsword for a bit through the tang, then from there I'll be able to twist or forge, well, literally just twist the ends of it to make it look like a scroll. So that's what we call it. So that's why they call it the scroll guard. So I'm almost there. I'm just trying to get the blade done as much as I can. You know, just hammer through that. Because once that's done and I don't have to fuck around with that, beautiful. Okay. Yeah. But like I said, I can just cut it before I quench it. Just take my angle grinder, use a cutoff wheel, well, before I quench it. I just gotta grind the edge a little bit before I quench it. That way, the edge is there. Because this blade's pretty thin already. Man, she almost done. Yep. So this is probably just going to be a bonus video, so it's going to be a little bit longer because it's a bonus video. So, part 6. There. But the reason why I do it is just so people, like, you know, see all like stuff that works and my mistakes. It don't matter what happens. But this is going to be a beast of a blade. Oh, yeah, just get this one. Oh, oh yeah. We're still fine. Here we go. Look how awesome weight. I don't know. All right. Now, the type of broadsword that I'm making is based off the Roman Sparta, which is essentially a long gladius. All right, so yeah. So the only difference between the Sparta and the gladius is that it was longer and it had more of a point because it was supposed to be used mostly for cavalrymen that broke their spear so they could just still stab people with. Sometimes, man, that's why the spear is the king of weapons. Long, cheap to make, but again, cheap to make doesn't mean, you know, it ain't gonna break. It won't. Shit happens. So, yeah. So that's the type of broadsword I'm making. But I'm still gonna call it a broadsword because, well, it's essentially what it is. It's the oldest style of broadsword. Go. There. Sweet tea. Ah. Woo, that's some sweet tea. Alright, so now, because it's so far in the back, I got to change tops here. There. You know what? One criticism I have of this one. It don't fit the forge very well. When I have the door shut, if I want to like move it. Not yet. There. Woo! Alrighty. So, it's 28 minutes. 28 minutes. Alright, so. Perfect. So that means 4 more minutes. So, a half hour, 32-ish, probably. We're going to be calling it my last video of the night. Because I want to go out with the wife and be social. Bring the dogs out. Be, normal in society a little bit. Normal in society. Then by tomorrow I'll have everything done. Unforging wise, that I can just cut out the shape a little bit. You know, I don't need to use all the steel, I just need to know what the fuck I'm using, right? Especially like the tip around, because I want a nice sharp edge. Only way to do that is kind of with, you know, where I want to do it, right? You know that. So. Okay, perfect. Now it's time to do the other side. Whew. There. This project's coming along very nicely, actually. Whew. Oh. This sword might be part of my Halloween costume this year. Honestly, I buy that because of how awesome it fucking looks. Damn well worth to have a sheath with Zone. Yeah. Gotta keep some and oh yeah. Fuck. Okay. There we go. Now it's time to flatten up the handle. And I got 2 more minutes remaining. I don't think it's gonna maybe get the whole thing done, but okay, keep it even if I end so if I end this video even in the 4 minutes of now. No, because wait, we're supposed to take 2 minutes. That okay. I have a thought. We'll see if it works. We'll see if it works. This might be one of my lighter swords. Besides the rapier, this might be one of my thinner blades. No, wait, no. I don't know. I think my small sword is still a little thinner than this one. Not by much though. There. There. Okay. Alright guys, you know what? That's the end of it today. If you like this video, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a lovely Saturday night. Peace.